Hello, here is your weekly weather briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service office in Riverton, Wyoming. This will be a pretty quick briefing as we show you a little bit about what is to happen over the next few days and even out through next week. But first, I want to talk about above normal temperatures. It looks like January is going to end up quite warm across the Cowboy State, and in particular west central Wyoming. Take a look at these highs just this past Monday and Tuesday, and you'll see that we've been way above normal with highs in the 40s and 50s, even some 60s earlier this week in places like Buffalo and some areas not too far away from Casper. And this above normal temperature pattern will continue, it looks like, through the next week, although may not be as warm as the 60s, but 40s into the 50s are not going to be uncommon across the lower elevations of west central Wyoming. Again, look at these locations off to the left, and the records were broken, some of which dated back to 100 years ago or more. How about the week and weekend ahead, Friday through the weekend here, and then down to the bottom right where it's early next week? The pattern is such that it will be generally dry across the lower elevations, breezy to windy. Again, 40s to lower 50s won't be uncommon across the lower elevations, with nighttime lows mainly in the teens, maybe 20s in the more windier, breezy spots. But could get some isolated snow showers down south on Friday, but partly cloudy to mostly clear this weekend, especially east of the divide. Could be increasing clouds and snow over the western mountains and far north early next week. We'll take a better look at that, and you can follow us at www.weather.gov/Riverton for more information on the extended forecast. But again, still looks typically dry east of the divide. Best chance of snow in the mountains Monday night and Tuesday. Then beyond the middle of next week, we look at the 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook for Wyoming. Our Climate Prediction Center is still, as it has over the last few weeks, showing above normal temperatures in the oranges and reds here for the western part of the United States. That includes Wyoming. In this circle here, you see the oranges, so more than likely above normal temperatures to continue, especially east of the divide. On the right side here is your precipitation outlook, and again, Wyoming looks to be at below normal precipitation. That trend is to continue, so dry conditions, with maybe the exception of the western mountains and parts of the northern mountains where some snow could occur. Shouldn't be a whole lot, but there will be some moisture to generate some at least snow showers in the next week or two. Thank you for watching. Again, call us anytime. The number down here below, the 800 number, if you need updated weather information, whether it's in the short term or long term. Our forecasters are always here to serve you. But all in all, to summarize, really looks like a good, decent week coming up with breezy conditions across most of west central Wyoming. Could be a little snow in the mountains, but that's mostly going to hold off till early next week. So enjoy the weather as we move into February. Take care, and thank you for listening.